Welcome to Udyog, manufacturer and supplier of industrial fasteners and fastener tools. The company was established in 1990 at Ludhiana. We serve to petrochemical, cement, automobile, and other industries. Stringent quality products, expedite delivery schedules, and cost-effective prices make us the preferred supplier in the industry. We offer a diverse range of washer-faced, flange nuts, and rectangle nuts. We are instrumental in offering a wide array of hex and weld nuts that are cost-effective. Our lock and tapered nuts are in huge demand across the global markets. We also provide industrial and washer-faced nuts that are a class apart. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of flange nuts and in standard nuts 929. Square, rectangle nuts and nuts for metal sheeting are extremely reliable. To get more information, log on at www.rktoolsudyog.com.